I have been waiting for this to go on clearance.
Holy cow.
This is customer top rated. It is, you know, two beautiful designs because you are getting tie-dye with then this overlay print over the top of it. So it's a stunning piece, it's very unique, and it's customer top rated. And the two things everybody's saying in the reviews, well, not everybody, but a lot, you know, I kind of like to go through and think, okay, what are the buzzwords? What do you need to know that everyone else loves about this? Is that it's beautiful and how soft it is. And lots of people saying, I wish I'd got more than one. A655 978. This was $74, so you're saving $24 off that QVC price, getting it on clearance at $16.66 on your Easy Pay. So let's go through the colours. This one is actually, and this goes well with these pants.
Oh, perfect with your pants.
Oh my gosh, that's just a look right there. This is tortoise shell. I kind of want to put this on now. We have 480 in that tortoise shell. Then we have the smoke. We have 375. And then the one that actually is going to be wearing is sugar plum. And then we have one more, which is ocean depths, which we're going to show you. Fewer than 200. I mean, yeah, I feel like everybody, that's the water I want to be looking at.
Right.
I want to be in the Maldives when I wake up tomorrow.
Please take us with you. We are ready to go. We can feel the sun. We can feel the water.
Yeah.
But now with the ocean depths, the feather overlay print is done in navy. So each one has their own kind of corresponding color. So the tortoiseshell has that kind of beautiful like espresso dark roast color, which is why these would also go, this would go beautiful with your pants, Sam. But this sweater itself is a cotton and rayon, lightweight, fine gauge sweater knit. Easy to wear, transitional, and I know sometimes we say that, oh, this is a sweater you can even wear in the summer, but wardrobe warriors, hear me out. When you're in the air conditioning in the movie theater, when you are in the office and it's cold, when you just need that little something at the end of the evening because you're by the water, maybe you are near the Maldives and you're loving that ocean, and it gets a little cool and breezy, this is the sweater you want to wear. Clean crew neckline, right? Easy to wear with your necklaces, your jewelry, or none at all. Full fashion sweater, but the sweater itself is tie-dyed, Sam. So that's what gives it the beautiful highs and lows, you know? That's what kind of gives it the dimension. And then Renee added this kind of feather overlay print. This is printed on, but here's the thing too. Sometimes when you print on a sweater, it gets crunchy, it gets rough, it gets tough. Right? Not at all with this. It stays the same softness. It's easy. It's comfortable. You will love the sweater. And here's the other reason why I love this sweater. Now, this is how Renee styles it. And maybe you are a wardrobe warrior who is in line with Renee. You know, maybe you do a little bit of this. I'm taking the same color, but
very European.
Yes, when you have like your t-shirt on or your tank top and you want to have this as your go-to piece when it does get cool. So you can do that, right? You can be this fashionable and this fantastic. Or you can do what Ashley does. And I show you this, and I know for wardrobe warriors who watch us a lot, they're like, why are you showing me this again? Because this is how durable the sweater is. When I don't need it on my body, this is where it lives. I don't do that around my neck. Nope, it's around my waist. But then when I do go to put it on, it's not stretched out. It's not disformed, if you will. And you can machine wash the sweater and dry it flat. So it just shows to the ease, care, wear, all of that, you know?
Okay, let's just talk colours. So the one we're looking at right now, this is called the Ocean Depths. I mean, it's just so dimensional and there's so much colour there. It really is like, almost like looking at fishes swimming in the ocean.
I know, right? You're like, I see them.
Yeah, just beautiful colour with that navy print in the feather overlay. And I just want to remind you of the other colours. So this is the tortoise shell.
So pretty.
This is the smoke, and also consider the smoke. I just want to show you with the pants.
Platinum. Yes.
Yeah, so you can do like a head to toe grey look. Then with like a grey boot, a black boot, that could be really cute.
Yes.
And then you're loving the smoke and also the sugar plum, which is the one Ashley's wearing, which just looks great.
I'd love the sugar plum too, because there are little pops of blue in the sugar plum. If you picked up on my Luxe Ponte leggings in the deep sapphire, absolutely beautiful. Or even the heathered navy of your pants that you had on earlier. You know, that's the beauty, because it pulls the blue out. Whatever you decide to pair it with, you can truly make this your own. Of course, it will go with your denim. And all 4 colorways, Wardrobe Warriors, I don't want anyone to ever worry and saying, oh, but I have lighter color hair, or I have salt and pepper hair, or I have red hair. All 4 colors are designed to go with every skin tone and every hair color. Renee purposefully chooses her colors because she doesn't want to alienate you. Just like when she brings you petite, regular, and tall in pants. She wants everyone to kind of, if you like it, she loves it, and she wants you to love it too.
Yeah, oh, we love that. So your easy pay on this is $16.66. Customer top rated if you want to go to QVC.com and check out the reviews. But if you know you are thinking, yes, I've seen this already, it's customer top rated because enough of you have come in and left reviews when it was $74. Today, you're saving $24 off that price to get it home for $49.99. So if you know that you want it, give us a call, 800-500-7590 to place your order. And then just decide if you want just one or if more than one of these beautiful colors is calling your name. You know, maybe you're somebody who struggles with color. Like my sister, so I'm adopted.
I am too, stop it.
Oh, no way. Do you know what? I keep having these things with a guest where I have the same birthday as Angel. I have the same, my mum has the same birthday as Lisa Lassaur. And we, oh my gosh. Well, I was going to, we have so much more to talk about.
I know, we have a lot more to talk about. We'll dive into the whole story.
But I was going to say my sister's colorblind, which is very, very rare in women because it means that both of you, like on both sides, there has to be the gene. And you think, well, how come you're not colorblind? But it means that because I'm adopted. And she really struggles with color. So, you know, it's because she doesn't know. So she kind of tends to just avoid it. But because Renee is really choosing for any hair color, any skin color, you can shop with confidence even if you're not that confident in color. And actually, it's quite normal. You know, I know at art school there were people who weren't confident with a paintbrush with color, let alone wearing it head to toe.
Oh yeah, it makes you wonder, and you start to go, oh, could I wear that? Would that actually fit within my everyday life? You know, so this is also your way to kind of like tip your toes in the water and try one of our Attitude sweaters. Renee brings you a sweater that is always soft, never itchy or scratchy. And again, this is a cotton dominant sweater. So this is a sweater that you will truly transition with, but the colors are absolutely beautiful. The 3-dimensional highs and lows of the tie-dye, you're gonna love this when you get this home. As our Wardrobe Warriors who've made this customer top rated.
Yes, yes. I mean, it is, like I say, it's always great. You know, if you're out in the mall, you see something on clearance, especially around this time of year, where it's like, they're just dragging everything.
You're like, oh, it's missing the sleeve.
Yeah, they've got stuff from like Easter of last year that they're rolling out. Not here at the Q. We're bringing you, you know what it's like. We have to make way for new inventory. So this is something that you have loved, but now it's your opportunity to get it at an incredible price. So let me just remind you of the colors one last time. Tortoiseshell looks great with the new pants if you just picked up on them. $470 in that tortoiseshell. This is the smoke. $365 in the smoke. Then we have the sugar plum. $250 remaining in the sugar plum. And then this is the ocean depths. $185 left in that. Extra, extra small through 3X, and it's on clearance, which means no reorder. I'm going to do another quick change because I'm like, why not?
Go for it.
Okay, we start